Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this brown smoky eye, you guys. Very beginner friendly. And if you want to see my foundation routine, which I did the Meredith challenge, go check that out now. And let's get into this eye only tutorial, brown smoky eye tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So the first thing we're going to be taking is the Zulu palette by Juvia's, and we're going to go into this brown and this orange shade right here, and those are the only two colors that we're going to be using today. So we're just going to dip that on a kind of dense, almost fluffy brush, and we're just going to dip that in to this brown eyeshadow. Any brown eyeshadow close to this one is totally fine. A mirror, and we're just gonna put that on the lower parts of our eyelid right here, on the lower parts, and then we're gonna blend the orange on top of it. So after you finish stamp the color on there, you want to just blend back and forth lightly so it can have this seamless blend. And that's how I do it with almost all my eyeshadow looks. So today we're doing it kind of different. I did the face, and yeah, you guys, go check that challenge out that I did. It should be out. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay. So we're just gonna pop that color right on the top of that right here, getting all of the lid sprays. And now we're gonna blend with this fluffier brush. We're gonna go into this orange shade right here, and we're just gonna blend that out. Now pack that right on top of that brown shade. So you just pack that on top, and then you want to sweep it kind of motion. Very simple beginner friendly eyeshadow tutorial. So we're just gonna go back and forth with this orange shade right here, and we're just gonna stamp that color kind of right there so we know where we want it. Stamp it on there, and then we're gonna blend back and forth after we're finished stamping the color. Then we're gonna just blend that back and forth, you guys, and that's basically it. I would do the liner on camera because I know that's kind of hard, and it took me a little while to do the liner, but as you can see, this look does not need liner. I'm just being extra, and you guys know I love liners, so we're just gonna do that. Really make sure you blend and mesh the colors together. It's gonna take a couple of minutes, not too hard. But really blend that color out. Look back and forth to see if it's, you know, blended. And yeah, that's it, you guys. I go back in with the brown again just to incorporate those colors. And that is it. Let me get the liner and let's do that. So now we're taking our Lottie by London liner, and we're just gonna start putting our liner on. Mind you, this liner has a stamp in case if you guys don't know how to do that. So I feel like this is a very beginner friendly eyeliner, and we're just gonna start in the middle. Ooh, that was a little too big. So, and just draw across, and draw across until we like kind of fill that in. It's never gonna be perfect, you guys, but you could try to get it as close as possible. So I'm gonna fast forward this part a little bit, and let's really get into this liner. Woo. Now with this part, you just want to take this up, right? And then you're gonna just go over and fill that in. It already don't look like each other, but and my eyes are watering for from keeping my eyes open so long, you guys. But woo, that's basically how you do it. You straighten it up, you fill it in as you go. Okay, let's do this inner corner right here. I struggle with that, as you can see, but I really wanted the inner corner really bad to extend my eye a little bit. But the inner corner, you just draw a line. I never get the line right. Okay, that's kind of way better than that one. And let's put some lashes on and I'll come back and show you guys the finished result. Okay, you guys, so this is the ending result of my eyeshadow tutorial. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. So let me give you a little twirly whirly. Okay, period. Soft glam beats. Soft beats. Okay? Okay? All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.